Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be doing 2 looks and a review on the brand new Huda Beauty Rose Quartz Eyeshadow Palette. This makes my heart melt so much. I was going to do more than 2 looks, but my other little softbox light went out, so then I had to switch this whole thing up. So that's why we're over here. So then I was like, you know what? I'm not in the mood anymore. So I stopped filming it. I only did 2 looks. I was going to do a third, but it is what it is. But this is a beautiful palette. I'm so excited to play more. I might do a part 2. I don't know, but look at how pretty these shades are. And I know everyone is comparing these to like the Mercury Retrograde and the new nude palette. I mean, I guess I can. I do own them. Like, here is the new nude palette. This one is absolutely gorgeous. I have found myself to not use it as often though, which is kind of sad. And I wish she still did like the little inserts, because I keep mine in there because I just think it's really pretty. But I think it's because these are much more warm toned, and I'm kind of a cool toned girl. This Mercury Retrograde is very cool toned, more fun colors, and I really like this palette too. I do dig into this palette time after time, and it's just such a good palette. Like, it just is. But this palette here is going to be a new fave. I'm going to bust into this so much. Like, especially these pink shades are so good. Like, this is such a light pink, and I used it and it was like so pigmented, and it didn't lose its pigmentation. I even left and took my boyfriend to GameStop when he got off work to get the new Call of Duty, came back home, figured out how to rearrange this room so I could film and all that, and nothing faded. It was like an hour later, nothing faded, so I was very much impressed with that. I know a lot of people don't like this like shade right here, but I mean, I don't know, I think it's cool looking. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna do 2 eye looks for you guys, so definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. I also just reviewed the brand new Natasha Denona Glam Face Palette. This one was a hit. I cannot wait for you to see that video when it comes out. And yeah, I guess we can just go ahead and get into the eye looks, and then I'll give you my final thoughts after the video is done showing you what I put on my face. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so final thoughts on this palette here. Very impressed. Cannot wait to play even more. I kind of want to swatch this funky shade though, because I just want to see what it looks like. So I'm just gonna, oh, some of these little things are poking out, and once you like rub it in, it messes the shade up, which is kind of like sad. But I guess then you kind of don't really see what's going on anymore. Let's just do a hand swatch, let it focus. Oh, wait, that's actually really pretty. That could be a highlighter or something because it's like balmy. Pretty. Oh my gosh, should we swatch a few more? Let's do Empowered because I didn't touch that one and it's like a dark shade. Oh my god. The pigment, man. On that one swatch. Wow. That's pretty. Okay, do we want to swatch a matte? Because I haven't... Oh, wait. This Energized shade right here. It's like a neutral shimmer. Hold on. I'm having fun, okay? Let's swatch one more before we end the video because, like, this is good. This is good stuff. Okay. Oh, it's because yeah, okay. So it crumbled a little bit. It's fine. It's fine. Hold on. I want to compare this. Oh, my God. Hold on. Look at that. You can't get this quality anywhere else. I mean, you can, but this is also a Sephora recommendation, VIB sale, by the way. It's going on right now, okay? Yeah, I guess that is it for this video. Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you plan on picking this palette up? I recommend this being your first purchase, or even the Mercury Retrograde. Those are like my two favorite. I did own her other big palettes like the Desert Dusk and the Rose Gold Remastered. The only other big palette I never owned was the Naughty Nude one, but whatever. Yeah, I recommend that one for your very first palette. It's so good and you're gonna love it. Just use a glitter glue so you don't have any glitter fallout, you know what I mean? But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.